Ladies and gentlemen, today you can find me in the favourable north side of Rainham, and adjacent to me I've got arguably one of the most imposing houses on the road for sale. This home was originally known as The Castle. It boasts over 2,000 square foot of living accommodation. It's set up as a 4 but can also be used as a 5-bedroom detached home. Let's take a look by starting on the driveway. 72-foot frontage, which is approached with the wrought iron electric gates. You've got ample amounts of off-street parking. You could even use this as a basketball court. Now, let's take a look inside. Downstairs, we've got ample amounts of living accommodation. To one flank, we've got a through lounge, which is dual aspect. That leads through into the hallway, which then continues to your kitchen. Off of the kitchen is a utility room. You can now find me in the dining room. As you walk through, we've got an element of the home that's being used as one office space. And then, let me take you through to my favourite part of the home. If you're a family that's multi-generational, then this home is perfect because this element of the house could be transformed into an annex accommodation. We've got a bedroom to the side, which is currently being used as an office, bar area, and we've even got wash facilities to the right, which leads on to one of my favourite parts, of course, the sauna. This room also is fully air conditioned. And before I take you into one of 2 gardens, let's take a look upstairs to see what the bedroom accommodation has on offer. Now let's talk about the bedroom accommodation. Starting of course with the master bedroom, dual aspect, letting in ample amounts of natural light, and we've got plenty of fitted wardrobe space and an ensuite. Summarising the rest, we've got 3 additional double bedrooms, one of which includes a dressing area, and we've got a bathroom to finish off. Now let's take a look at the gardens. Now, when talking about the exterior, it's not often that you find you have 2 garden spaces in one home. I like to call this one the courtyard. Picture this, summer's evening, west facing, plenty of space to relax, and segregation away from garden 2, which means that you can have the kids playing whilst you have that peace and tranquility. Let's take a look at garden 2. Garden 2, artificial lawn, porcelain patio, and as previously mentioned, if you've got kids, then this is perfect because not only have we got the low maintenance garden area, we've also got a summer house currently used as a place to relax, very zen, however, could be used as a kids' playroom or maybe for a pool table. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you'll agree this imposing home is truly exceptional. It offers plenty of living accommodation and amenity space. I don't believe it's going to remain on the open market for long. If you're looking to arrange a viewing, contact my Balgores Hornchurch branch today. My name's Billy Gill. We are Balgores, and I look forward to seeing you here very soon.